Janelle here. Happy Thursday. I'm finally back to do the other unboxing of the other Coach bag. So let's get started. It came that Monday, I want to say. So in another big box. Hold on, let me get everything out. Bear with me. So, yeah, I ain't got much time today. I ain't got time to pussyfoot around with your girls today. Gotta go take my daddy someplace. But this, I really loved it online. And so I was like, I'm gonna get it. So I got it. All right, so let's open. She up. Another Coach dust bag. Oh, guys, you know what I failed to mention the first time? I really love how the interior of the Coach dust bags are satin. I don't have many other fashion houses just yet, but I know that my Louis one is not satin. So that's nice. That's really like a nice little touch. Anyway, here she is. Here she is. The Brooklyn. Okay, I got the 28, the size 28, and the color cedar brass, I believe. And online, guys, it is so pretty. I don't know how if it's coming up true to color here, but it's like a very pretty deep peanut butter toffee color. It's very pretty, very on trend for the fall. Kind of it's not as caramel. I won't call it as caramel as it could be, but it's really cute. It just has a simple gold lettering with the Coach up front, and then it has this button in the rear because it has a pocket. You can see the stitching for the pocket as well. So it's really cute, you guys. On the shoulder, this is how it looks. I am 5'3", for reference. Okay, 5'2 3/4, 5'3", okay? I'm gonna say 5'3" today. But when I opened it up, I liked it. It does have this D-ring on the side with the Coach tag as well in suede. It also has a D-ring in the interior as well. Let's see, let's take out the stuffing real quick. Now, this is what I will say. You see this stuffing, right? I see it stuffed, but I have a little bit of a dilemma because I see unboxing of girls just unwrapping everything. I mean, the handles, everything. And I'm just kind of like, well, why wasn't mine wrapped? I also will say that I noticed that on this tag, it doesn't have the price on it, but a lot of the accessories did. Both purses, neither purses came with the tag on it. Now, I don't know if they removed it because it was purchased by me or if it was a return. That's something that I was kind of concerned about. Not like it mattered because I'm a thrifted girly, and if it's somebody took it home and was like, I don't like it, and they brought it back, I guess that's fine, but I don't know. I want the works, honey. Don't spare me. If everybody else getting wrapped up, I want mine wrapped up, okay? So, because otherwise, who at Coach don't like me? You feel me? Like, wrap my stuff up. Some of the accessories came with a really cute Coach sleeve book with the invoice and receipt. The big purses didn't come with that. I reached out to customer service yesterday and it was like, sorry, the only way we can get, or receipts are only available online. Well, why y'all didn't send me the receipt in the box? I don't appreciate that. Now, the items did come from different Coach locations. I think one come from Bellevue, one came from Wayne or something like that. But here's the bag. Like I said, she's very, very pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. Simple. The Coach button in the back has Coach written on it. I don't know if you can tell or see the lettering. It does have a snap closure here, so it's very good. It is just one interior compartment. It does have a pocket on the rear of the back, as I mentioned. Is it a button? It's a button. But yeah, so you guys know that I have a daughter. And any moms of daughters, like, you know, kids are very honest. And I have to give her license and agency to be able to speak freely. And so I do. And so as I unboxed it, she says, well, color, but I like the bag. That's the first thing Mama said. And I don't know if that was just like my thought as well. But after that, I was just like, you're right. She's 7. I was like, you're right. I don't love it exactly. So I'm going to return her to the store. I wanted to go today. No, I wanted to go tomorrow because I thought I would have my work from home tomorrow, but I had to switch because I had to take my daddy to the doctor. So I won't be able to go to the Coach store today, but I definitely wanted to do the video so that tomorrow we can, or excuse me, Saturday, we can just get rolling. But yeah, this is her. She's pretty. Now, I did buy some charms. So I bought this Coach charm. Oh, you guys, let me show you. Hold on. So, let me show you. I've adorned my Willow soft bucket bag with some charms. And guys, we will talk about it. I will do another in-depth video because is she not adorable? She's a looker. So anyway, I'm going to take some of the charms that I put on my Willow bucket bag and put them on the Brooklyn just to see how they look. Also, like I said, I bought those other wristlets because there's not a wallet to match. Okay, so this is just a Coach C. I can't remove the tags because, like I said, I'm going to return it. But so that's the Coach C on the bag. You can do a charm. Hopefully you can see it. You can do the charm there. You could double the charms. That's really cute. Y'all, is this not adorable? I'm gonna go get my nails done this weekend. Don't clock. Don't try to clock me. I'm gonna go get them done this weekend. You could layer them. You could layer your charms. Obviously, the charm thing is in. So you can do as much charms as you like on the Brooklyn. This is what she looks like from the front. I did notice another young lady, she mentioned how the shoulder strap simply falls. She did have the 39 though, but I think that's something to, just to, I guess, be considerate about. But it's very cute. And I love them in the other colors, y'all. Like the black is cute. The red, I'm not sure, what is it, ruby? I'm not sure what it's called. Like the Merlot color, that's cute. I just don't love it. So I wanted to carry her with both the cherry wristlet, the cherry print wristlet, and the chalk and with the cherries, which is so pretty, guys. I know y'all have seen it, but like up close, it has the glitter on there. It's so pretty. It has a gorgeous C there, the back, and it has the wristlet so you can carry it. And then I also got, I can't remember if I showed it, I got the cherry print card case as well. Now, here's what I will say. I am newly introduced to Coach. I have never had a Coach. These are my first Coaches, right? But I didn't know that like the retail store carries certain products and then the outlet stores carry, so like the outlet stores have a lot of cherry print. The only difference is the hardware is silver and the cherry print, to me it looks completely white, and the cherries don't have the 3D glitter, but they're like a fraction of the cost. I was like, well bitch, I ain't worried about no glitter. I want you can't see the cherry, the glitter from over there, no way. But no, I wanted to carry these in just to kind of, because I told y'all I need something to coordinate. And even though those don't match exactly, I thought that was going to be really cute. Like, look, if you see me at the register, I'm like, oh, how much is it, sir? Okay, hold on, please. And I pulled it, that's cute. Cute. With the cherries, even if I wanted to add the extra cherry. Let's see if I can put that on there somewhere real quick. So yeah, it's cute. It's cherry. It's on theme. But yeah, so this is the Brooklyn, guys, 28 in the cedar and brass. She is gorgeous. I am going to return her to someone who's going to love on her properly because I'm scared that if I keep it, I won't reach for it. Now, I do have some boots that match this perfect. And that's another thing. I should have brought my coat. My winter coat that I'm wearing this season, it's vintage. It's from my grandmother, Margaret. But it's literally almost the same color, but it's not giving like a monochromatic, like pop I would want it to. So if I do the brown boots, the brown jacket, the brown purse, it's not enough differentiation between the colors that is attractive to me. So yeah, I'm gonna return her, but she's certainly cute. She's certainly adorable. And carry her in the crook of your arm. Just popping down the street, you know. Babe, you want something from the store? Okay. Look, what you want to eat tonight? Okay, I'll be back. You know, I'll do a pickup at Publix. Okay, so yeah. But that's her. She's cute. She's cute. I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to get to the store. Maybe I'll do like some recording while I'm at the store just to kind of see what they have. Ooh, they had a new tabby came out today with the chain. It's cute. So I would have to return this, put a little money with it. But maybe let's talk about how I kind of did the girl math, and I was like, I caught myself trying to save a penny by not getting anything Louis. But when I add up everything, I could have got a little something small, you know, a pochette or whatever, wallet on the chain, and all, any small ever good. But it's all good. We're trying to just expand our palette. But this is her, guys. All right, I gotta go because I gotta go get my daddy. I love y'all. All right. Okay, now. But yes. But yes. We'll talk. All right, now I'm off to the mall. I wish I had my charms back on it. But I'm off to the mall. Love you, girls.